Adams and I'm sorry, let me introduce the exercise first. Exercise 9.2 on page 493. We're going to work through it in the video here as well, and you can work through it with me. You won't have a homework problem like this one, but again, you could see one like this on your final, which just covers chapters 9 and 10. Computing profit or loss on a bid. Adams and O'Sullivan, who are plumbers, successfully bid $30,000 for the plumbing work on a new luxury home. Total direct labor cost on the job was $9,500. Other direct costs were $2,500, and overhead is charged to jobs at 150% of direct labor costs. Okay, number one, compute profit or loss on the job in dollars. Part A, set us up a space to do that here. Compute profit or loss as a percentage of the bid price. I set us up a space to do that here. And then number two, they want labor and overhead as a percentage of total cost. So let's start with job cost. We have direct labor. Okay, 9,500. They say other direct cost 2,500. I would think of that as labor. Excuse me, materials, direct material. They just said other, so I'll go with that. Then they say what overhead is charged to jobs at 150% of direct labor cost. Overhead is equal to 1.5 or 150% times our direct labor cost of 9,500. We get 14,250 for overhead. So now if we add these together, we'll get our job cost, 26,250. Okay. Now they want our profit or loss in dollars. Well, how much was our bid? We bid $30,000. Less our job cost. Which is 26,250 from above. Alright, the difference in those two, 30,000 minus the 26,250, gives us 3,700. That's our projected profit. Alright, our profit or loss is a percentage of the bid price. Well, we'll just say 3,750 divided by the bid price. Well, profit or loss is a percentage of the bid price. So that comes to 13%. Actually, I had that set for 0 decimal places as percentage. Let's do it exact. That comes to 12.5%. And then labor and overhead as a percentage of total cost. Okay, our labor was 9,500, so this is going to be equal to 9,500, our labor, plus overhead, 14,250. As a percentage of total cost. Labor and overhead as a percentage of total cost. So divided by total cost, 26,250. Wow, so labor and direct labor and overhead make up 90.5% of our cost here. Okay, if you have any questions about that one, please be in touch. Thanks.